Garden Grove rollout. PCTV. We've got Dylan here tonight. All right.
First one out.
I didn't even see you, Rod. First one out, buddy.
Yeah, Patrick.
You take care. Have a great night. All right, buddy. Dylan's doing his first Garden Grove rollout.
Yep. Hey.
Hey, there's my doll. All right. Nice Effie going. Yeah, yeah. Have fun, you guys. I'd say be safe, but what the hell? What's the point of living safe, right? Oh yeah, that's right. Where's my map? Oh, here it is. I get so tired of it. But I'm good. I wear them.
I respect it, but at the same time. Thanks for coming.
Have a great night. Take care. Dono dono. There we go. Here goes the Montclair. Have a great night. Take care. Okay, the big rollout now. This is it, guys. This is the roar. The Montclair doesn't necessarily roar, but it's a good one. Pretty car. Good looking stuff. Oh, and there we go. Nice 57. Dano! Oh, get your Dano. All right. Woo! Rolling, rolling. Yeah, buddy. Take care. Have a great night. All right. Train whistle. I love this car here. Take care, man. Oh, I know this guy. Take care of yourself, brother. You're good. Love you, man. There goes Willie, main sponsor, Garden Grove. All right, we got a Trans Am, we got a Thunder Chicken. Good night. Weird without the Smove. Feels strange without my gimble on. There he goes. All right, take care, man. Have a good night. All right, I love this car. This thing is Airborne. Yeah. This 64 is just, I love this truck. Dude, straight up. Love this truck. All right. 11, I believe. Beautiful. Look at the French job. We will work on this car, man. Great stuff on this one back. Jerry would love that. Okay, here comes more of the line.
Bye, thank you for coming.
Have a good night.
SCC in the house,
Yes,
guys.
sir.
I'll see you Wednesday.
Hello.
Dylan, have a good night, buddy. Take care.
I love this rear farm display. That is some short stuff right there. Well, man. Somebody has to go to Costco. A little short on gas.
That's for sure.
And you can see all your friends and stuff.
Yeah.
This is a great, love this
Thanks for
patina.
coming.
Hey, thank you. Have a great night. All right, you too. Good. All right, you guys. Looking good. Now you just gotta get home.
So we're like 75 miles.
Oh man, drive safe, you guys.
Yeah, we will.
That thing rolls nice, I bet, though.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Comfortable.
What do you got under the hood?
455.
That'll work. Gearing's good. Runs nice on the freeway.
Nova clip. Yeah,
Sweet.
everything, man. Tilt wheels.
Nice fluid drive.
Thanks, guys.
Later, man. All right, look at this thing. Oh my God, Dylan, isn't that crazy? Split back.
Next week.
Later. Okay, best in show, Garden Grove tonight. Beautiful Monte Carlo. Swinging tight. Swinging tight. I know this guy.
Great to see you guys.
I love you, man. Glad you're
Take
feeling
care.
better.
Thank you. Feels good to be out again.
Yes, sir. Take care of yourself, Paul.
You too.
Whoop. Here we go. Another one heading out. Oh, look at this truck. Woo. Looking great. Hey, Larry. How you doing, brother?
Doing good, buddy. How are you?
Good to see you, man.
Seen you for a
I
while.
know. It's a pleasure. Look, truck looks fantastic. Good to see you, man. And look who's here.
I see him.
We got Dylan, man.
He was up there trying to win stuff.
Was he trying?
I don't know if he got through it or not, but he was doing good.
Well, it's really good to see you, man. Truck is always looking beautiful. Take care. That's one good looking truck right there. And Mr. Larry Reinhardt. Off we go.
All right, Patrick.
Good night. Take care. Good to see you, brother.
Take care out, man.
There's the roar. There's the roar. Simpson Classics in the house. Oh, I like this. Have a good night. From 11, followed by Mr. Mike Miller. And I believe Dylan's ride is right behind him. Take care, Mike. Have a good one. There you go, Jason. That was fun. He was great, dude. He had a lot of fun. So I guess, Dylan, you're going home? And there goes Dylan. I think that's about it for me. I think I'm gonna call it a night. Garden Grove. PCTV out.